Let's start today's current affairs of 7th October. First news is ISLRTC and NCRT MOU साइन किया है to make education materials accessible for deaf students. ISLRTC is Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center. Education print materials will be converted into Indian Sign Language in digital format. It ensures educational standardization of Indian Sign Language. Next news is 2020 Nobel. 3 scientists share prize in physiology or medicine. Harvey, Alter, Charles Rice and M. Horton were awarded Nobel Prize for Medicine or Physiology for discovery of hepatitis C virus. हेपेटाइटिस सी वायरस की डिस्कवरी के लिए फिजियोलॉजी या मेडिसिन में इन तीनों को नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला है. Will of Alfred Nobel established in the 5 Nobel Prizes in 1895. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन अफेयर्स ने MOU साइन किया स्विगी के साथ टू टेक स्ट्रीट फूड वेंडर्स ऑनलाइन. स्ट्रीट फूड वेंडर्स को ऑनलाइन करने के लिए MOU साइन हुआ है स्विगी के साथ. अरेंजमेंट हैज बीन फैसिलिटेटेड अंडर PM स्वनिधि स्कीम. PM स्वनिधि लॉन्च्ड ऑन June 1, 2020. Next news is Israel and India agree to continue and advance bilateral cooperation in fight against coronavirus. India and Israel to continue and advance bilateral cooperation in fight against coronavirus. PM Modi and his Israeli counterpart agreed to hold a digital conference on innovation in the field of solar energy. Israel currency is shekel and PM is Benjamin Netanyahu. Next news is TCS becomes second Indian company to cross 10 lakh crore rupees market capital. 10 लाख करोड़ का मार्केट कैप क्रॉस करने वाली TCS सेकेंड कंपनी बन गई है. TCS share jumped over 7% ahead of its board meeting to consider a share of buyback proposal. TCS CEO is Rajesh Gopinathan, founded in 1968. Next news is government removes requirement of minimum qualifying service for defense personnel for enhanced family pension. गवर्नमेंट ने स्क्रैप कर दिया द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ मिनिमम क्वालिफाइंग सर्विस फॉर इन्हांस्ड फैमिली पेंशन विद इफेक्ट फ्रॉम 1 October 2019. Enhanced family pension is calculated at 50% of last emoluments. Next news is Dhoni becomes the only Indian with no duck in 100 consecutive T20 innings. Cricket में a duck is a batsman's dismissal with a score of 0. MS Dhoni became the first Indian to play 100 consecutive T20 innings without getting out on a duck. Next news is Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited completes 12,000 crore rupees कृष्णापट्टनम पोर्ट बाय. कृष्णापट्टनम पोर्ट खरीद लिया है 12,000 करोड़ रुपए में अडानी पोर्ट्स एंड स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन्स लिमिटेड ने. ये अडानी कृष्णापट्टनम पोर्ट कंपनी लिमिटेड ये आंध्र प्रदेश में है. इसकी वैल्यू है 12,000 करोड़ रुपए. This will result in APSEZ having a controlling stake of 75% in KPCL. KPCL में इसकी 75% स्टेक हो गई है. APSEZ Limited is India's largest private multi-port operator. Next news is Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal launches anti-air pollution campaign ahead of winter. Delhi CM launched mega anti-air pollution campaign युद्ध प्रदूषण के विरुद्ध plans have been prepared for 13 identified hotspots. 1911 the capital of India was transferred from Calcutta to Delhi. Next news is 12th BRICS summit to be held virtually on November 17. 12th BRICS summit virtually होने वाला है November 17 को. It will be the 12th edition and it will be through video conference. थीम क्या रहेगी? थीम इंक्लूड करेगी ब्राज़ील, रशिया, इंडिया, चाइना एंड साउथ अफ्रीका को. और थीम रहेगी ब्रिक्स पार्टनरशिप फॉर ग्लोबल स्टेबिलिटी, शेयर्ड सिक्योरिटी एंड इनोवेटिव ग्रोथ. सिंस 2009 ब्रिक्स नेशंस हैव मेट एनुअली एट फॉर्मल समिट. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज गवर्नमेंट अपॉइंट्स शशांक भिड़े, आशिमा गोयल एंड जयंत वर्मा एज न्यू MPC मेंबर्स. मॉनिटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी के न्यू मेंबर्स अपॉइंट कर लिए गए हैं गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से. शशांक भिड़े, आशिमा गोयल और जयंत वर्मा. The government had set up monetary policy committee in 2016. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज़ अरुणाचल प्रदेश ने MOU साइन किया है विद 3 फर्म्स टू सेट अप पाम ऑयल एक्सट्रैक्शन फैक्ट्रीज। पाम ऑयल एक्सट्रैक्शन फैक्ट्रीज़ के लिए 3 फर्म्स के साथ MOU अरुणाचल प्रदेश ने साइन किया है। 3 कंपनीज़ के नेम है सिवासाई, 3F एंड रुचि सोया एंड for setting up of oil extraction factories and buy back palm oil fruits from farmers under the scheme. Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar and CM is Pema Khandu. Next news is Motilal Oswal Home Finance appoints Arvind Hali as MD and CEO. MD and CEO Motilal Oswal Home Finance के बन गए Arvind Hali. MOFS founded by Motilal Oswal and Ramdev Agarwal in 1987. Next news is West Bengal inks MOU with IIM Calcutta wing to set up Technology Development Center. IIM Calcutta run Entrepreneur and Innovation Park to set up a Technology Development and Adoption Center TDAC. TDAC will build technologies which will address need-based location-specific problems. IIM Calcutta was the first IIM. Next news, IBM to set up AI Center of Excellence with Government E-Marketplace. Government E-Marketplace के साथ AI Center of Excellence IBM establish करने वाला है. IBM CEO is Arvind Krishna, founder is Charles Flint, and it was founded in 1911. Next news, foreign ministers of all Quad countries to meet in Tokyo. India, Japan, America and Australia. Quad countries are India, US, Japan, Australia. They will meet in Tokyo, and the foreign ministers will discuss post-COVID international order need for coordinated response to challenges emerging from pandemic. Next news is veteran Samajwadi Party leader Mulayam Singh Yadav passes away. Mulayam Singh Yadav, former MLC of Samajwadi Party, passes away. He was elected Sarpanch of his village at the age of 21 in 1949. Samajwadi Party founder is Mulayam Singh Yadav. This Mulayam Singh Yadav. Ex-Gujarat High Court Acting Chief Justice A.S. Dave passes away. Ex-Gujarat High Court Acting Chief Justice A.S. Dave passes away. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Governor is Acharya Devvrat. Next news is veteran actor Vishal Anand passes away. Bollywood actor Vishal Anand, who is known for his role in 1976 Chalte Chalte, he passed away. Vishal Anand, director Mithun Chakrabarti, starrer Kismat in 1980. Next, thanks for watching this session.